All right, so it's not wanting to start. We got a huge log that fell during a storm. We need to get it cut up. We've tried getting our chainsaw started. It won't start. Now we're gonna try to use our RYOBI 12-inch miter saw. Can the RYOBI cut a log? Is it strong enough? Let's see. So if you want to be part of the family here, click that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another one of our videos when we upload it. Plenty of good content. We have lots of videos coming up. We have a bit of a problem here. This thing fell during a storm. I need to get this cut up with our 12-inch RYOBI miter saw. Let's set the saw up and see if we can't get this log to go on there. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to go check out the products that I'm talking about more in depth, and I'll have some other stuff down there too, maybe a couple links to some other videos. To get this log cut up, I was going to put it on top of here. I think there'd be enough room, but I think it would probably be better to take this off of here and set it on the ground and cut that log on the ground. Let's do that now. Now this is going to be heavy when you try to get this off here. It's locked on. You got the two levers. Pop them loose and it's going to be ready to go. I haven't had this off in a while. It just popped off. We're going to set it down. Going to move our stand out the way. We're going to take our log and move it out this way a little bit. Take our saw. What I'm going to do is cut this in half. Once I get it cut in half, I can cut up each piece and that'll be fine. That is perfect. Okay, so we're fixing to cut this. You gotta make sure you have the proper PPE to do this. This isn't for anybody, so don't think that this is just gonna be something that you can do. You really gotta know what you're doing. Now we have to turn it some. That's got it. So we cut it in half, so that's about half the battle there. We're going to have to cut it a little bit smaller. Should be a little bit easier now though to do the rest of this. We'll see. I think we probably kicked the power. This is probably one of those things you probably shouldn't do, but we've done it. That was a workout. Okay, so we got it done. This was just a little bit too big for the cut. So we had to keep turning it around, which made it difficult because it's putting more strain on the saw. It did a great job cutting it. That's an amazing saw. Didn't really back down. It kicked the breaker a couple times when it got bound up, but that's its job. It should be doing that so it doesn't burn the motor up. So as far as cutting anything else, this thing will cut it. No problem. Probably not for cutting a palm tree, but I wanted to show you what it could do and what's capable of, and it did cut it. It's just I wouldn't do it for this application. Definitely wouldn't do it again. There's a lot of work and it just wasn't necessary. Either fix your chainsaw or buy a new one. To knock the dirt off, I'm just going to use this Hart air compressor. You can blow up things for your kids, your air bed, or your tires, and it's battery. And this is a really nice unit. It's blown up a lot of tires for me. So I definitely like to take care of my tools. I always clean them up when I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna meet you over in the next video. So click on this link right here and follow me over there. I mean, how many other saws can you pull with one hand to go put it away?